Well, and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a page-level content gap analysis, which I can just consistently use to help improve my pages. Now, doing a content gap analysis can be highly technical, but this process over here closes that technical gap and lets everyone, every website owner go ahead and do a content gap analysis to improve not only the content coverage, but also their semantic relevance and search. I have seen up to a 25 to 35% increase in search traffic, clicks, position, and all of that good stuff by just running through these simple steps. So make sure you take note of the steps and run through them exactly as I show you in this video. So without further ado, let's jump right to it. So we're going to go ahead and perform what's called a content gap analysis, as I mentioned in the introduction of this video. And the whole reason why we do this, and we need to do this every 6 to 8 weeks, is because Google search changes, and so does the way our website or web pages show. If we don't update the page, we don't know what content gaps Google is finding, and we're not capitalizing on any opportunities, then sooner or later, our page will start decaying and we'll go into a downward spiral from which recovering is going to be near impossible. All right. So we have to be proactive, find content gaps within our own pages or within published and index pages so that we're ahead of the competition and we're improving the overall health of the page. And we're not just hoping that it will improve and just creating content that honestly will weigh down the website after a certain point. So we don't just want to create content. We want to consistently improve the content we already have on the website just so that we are, we're saving a lot of money in terms of investment and in new content. Plus, we're also making sure that our website is consistently receives good traffic from not only now Google search, but also AI search, which relies heavily on fresh content. We're on cloudscodubai.com. This is my play around website and test website. You can also get in touch with me via this website if you're looking for someone to do SEO for you, or you have a question about SEO, or you need a consultation. So we go down over here and we go to performance. And what we're trying to find is a page that's getting a lot of clicks. Sorry, it's getting a lot of impressions, but it's getting few clicks or no clicks. So we go ahead, we'll sort by impressions over here. And right off the bat, we have this page over here, whereby we've got this page is getting the most impressions, which is SEO service in Abu Dhabi. And we've got like 0 clicks. Okay. So there has to be something wrong here. We go ahead, we click into the page. And you can see it's kind of taken off in terms of impressions. Our average position isn't great. All right. But there might be content gaps. Let me just move myself to the bottom. But there might be content gaps over here that we're not covering. Okay. So we got clicks, impressions, CTR. So we're not getting clicks. And you can see it's 0 clicks over here. So what we're going to do is we'll go ahead, we'll run an export. So we'll do an export over here. And we will do Google Sheets. Now, Google Sheets makes it easier for me to kind of sort things out and look at stuff, but here are all the queries that we are ranking for, and these are all the pages. We're not really interested in the pages. Here's the page, by the way. And so this is countries and then devices. So we are definitely ranking in the UAE, which is where most of the impressions are coming from. Here's appearance and use filter. So what we'll do is we will remove this over here. So we'll remove search appearance. We'll remove filters. And this is because we need to be able to process this file to find content gaps. So we just want to remove all of the fluff that could interfere with the results. We'll go ahead and remove this. We don't need this. We've got pages, we've got queries, and we've got this chart over here, which we will also remove. But we only need 2 pages, queries, and pages. So we go ahead, we'll download this, and we'll download this as an XLS file. It's gone ahead and downloaded the XLS file. Now we'll open up Gemini. And using Gemini is important because Gemini is Google's own AI. And so its insights are very different from what you would otherwise get. But the important thing here is to make sure that you prime your prompt. So in my case, we have you're an SEO expert and your job is to find content gaps. I will attach a Google Search Console report for a web page. I will then provide you with the URL to that content or page. You then need to do some online research and combine that with the report I attached to offer a content gap analysis. And for the URL of the page, you got pages over here. So we'll just click open. I copy the URL over here. And we will just hit enter so that we just prime this. Now, meanwhile, we'll go ahead and we'll upload our, so here's the XLS file, uploaded that, and this is the URL. This is the URL we need to analyze, okay? We attached it, so it's saying Google Search Console report. You can attach it as a CSV file, paste the data, or provide key queries, and let's hit enter over here. I'm not going to pause the video because since the latest update to Gemini's AI, this is now a lot faster, and I actually pay for this subscription, so it's a lot faster, and it's the overall report that it now gives you is way more comprehensive than what it was. So that is certainly a win for SEOs. I'll just run this in on real time, and you can do this on just about every page of your website. Now, if you have a large website, there is a way to do this at scale, but that's not for this video. So it can be done programmatically once you understand the concept behind this. So based on Google Search Console data you provided and my real-time analysis of search engine results for Abu Dhabi SEO queries, I put together a comprehensive content gap analysis. Here's a breakdown of your current performance and what your page, one competitor are doing and actual steps. So current performance analysis, and this is the URL, so we're getting these impressions and 0 clicks. So high volume keywords you're ranking on page 9 or position 85 to 95. The primary keywords are SEO Abu Dhabi. So this is our position. So it's also giving us our position, which is great. SEO services in Abu Dhabi is 87, and SEO consultant Abu Dhabi is this position 91. Hidden opportunity. Interestingly, your best ranking keyword for AI-powered SEO agencies in Dubai. So this I didn't know. I just ran into this. So AI-powered SEO agencies in Abu Dhabi. So this is your hidden opportunity. Your best ranking is for this. All right. So we're positioned 58.24. So this is something which we can improve upon. Google is testing your relevance for this modern long-tail query, which is a massive opportunity. Now, if we go to the page over here and we go to the analysis, I would say AI-powered SEO agencies in Abu Dhabi, we copy this query and we paste it into the page and see if we have a topic about this or we have mentioned this. So no, we don't have this mentioned. There's absolutely nothing about it on this page. So I want to probably create a page or a subpage or maybe even a paragraph or a section within this page about AI-powered SEO agencies in Abu Dhabi. Then we have the competitor SERP landscape. So to find the content gaps, I analyze the top ranking competitors for a target keyword, such as SEO services Abu Dhabi, 10x Digital AE, IntegrateItSolutions.com. Here is what they feature that you'll likely lack or need to expand upon. Detailed service breakdown. The top pages don't just say we do SEO, they break it down into H2s, technical SEO, on-page optimization, local SEO, Google Maps, and e-commerce. Proof of concepts of page 1 competitors heavily focus on feature localized Abu Dhabi case studies, 10x growth in organic traffic in 3 months, and client testimonials. Emerging SEO, AI SEO trends, so competitors are actively targeting generative engine optimization, AI search readiness, so ChatGPT and Gemini. Irresistible lead magnets. The number 1 ranking sites feature bold, risk-free CTAs like get a free SEO audit or specific pricing packages, start a growth enterprise right on the page. All right, so this is something we might want to include. Identify content gaps and recommendations. So based on the disparity between your page and the top search results, here's exactly what you need to add to your URL, and this is the meat of the analysis. So capitalizing on the AI-powered SEO opportunity. So it says action, add a dedicated H2 section, title AI-powered SEO services in Abu Dhabi. Explain how you use AI for data-driven keyword research, predictive search trends, and optimization. So this is something we most definitely want to add. I will act on this suggestion over here. Semantic depth and service categorization. So search engines are burying your page because it lacks the topical authority required for head terms like SEO company in Abu Dhabi. So action, restructure your page content to include specific subterms, add H3s covering, so this is local BAPs, technical SEO, Arabic, and multi-language. So we need to cover these. Missing trust signals and local relevance. So your page needs to prove it belongs to Abu Dhabi. So we don't have these case studies and success stories, which is one of the reasons why we probably aren't doing so well. And then there's also adding localization. So we got search engine and intent and conversion elements. So we're definitely missing these. So we don't have a conversion element, which is why we're not getting clicks on the page. So add an interactive element on the page, such as a free local SEO audit form, a breakdown of your SEO pricing packages. And then we've got recommended page structure. So we've got the page structure over here. So as you can see, it's a comprehensive breakdown of the page. Now what I would want it to do is provide me with a page that it thinks that it will do great. So what I'm going to ask it is to provide me with a draft of the page that it recommends, and which is based on the analysis. So we go ahead and hit enter on this. And even though the page it will provide will not be 100% what I want it to be, but it'll be like 60-70% there. And then from that, I can go ahead and edit the page and kind of make it my own, and then add the elements that are needed to kind of start ranking it. So comprehensive SEO services in Abu Dhabi. We've got technical SEO or Arabic and English content writing, marketing, e-commerce SEO, page two. Now we don't offer, for instance, Arabic content marketing. So we might want to remove that. So why are we leading in AI-powered SEO? So this is something I want to add. Proven our UAE SEO case studies. We do have some case studies. I'll definitely add those. Transparent SEO packages. Well, let's just import that from our packages page. And here is the FAQ. So pretty comprehensive and to the point. So this is something I can edit and rework and turn this into a well-done page. So this is how you find and do content gap analysis, which is highly technical, but this will get you 70% there, and you can start ranking your page like tomorrow. So if you guys like the video, like, subscribe as always, leave a comment below. And if you're looking for someone to do SEO for you, there's a link in the description to fill out the Google Forms, and I will get in touch with you. Or you can get in touch with me via my email, which is admin@cloudseodubai.com. I'll put the over here. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Happy ranking.